In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use blending modes to remove that annoying white background from logos inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you've loaded up Adobe Premiere Pro and you have your footage ready to go, you want to drag that image into Adobe Premiere. And as you'll see, this has a really ugly white border around the logo. So all we need to do is go into opacity and we'll go into the blend mode and we'll change this from normal to darken or multiply. And there you go. That is how you remove the white background from your logos inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. You can also do the opposite effect. We can remove the black rather than the white, and this means that we can use the white as a foreground element, meaning we'll look through the text and see this footage underneath that text. Blending modes are a really important part of the video editing process, and understanding how each one of these blending modes affects your image and your video will really help to carry you through your video editing journey. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there. And also, don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.